Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the extrude option in MX and what are the options available in extrude. So first I am opening the model file. Once our model is created, as I told in my previous video, just do the sketch according to your profile. And this one I am just creating one rectangular profile. So now my sketch is fully constrained. I am going to do finish sketch. Next I am going to do extrude. In extrude I need to select the sketch. Once I selected the sketch, I have direction limiting options. So direction it is creating in normal to the plane, and you can do reverse option. So you have these many options, but normal to the plane is default, so you can also have the default. So in limit I have values, so I have two different values. So if I want to keep same value like both sides mirrored value, just I can go for symmetric value. In symmetric value, if I give one side, both sides, it will take the sketch plane as the center and it will create symmetric value. Once you are done, just give OK. Just I am giving OK. For next options, we will see the next kind of extrude. For this one, just I am creating one more sketch. I am taking and this sketch is offsetting to 100 mm. So my sketch plane created and keeping as the use work plot origin and by default it is under giving OK. So first I will tell you the here I am creating a rectangular profile which is bigger size compared to the bottom face of the part. So just I created one rectangular sketch. I am going to do the extrude. I am selecting this sketch. Now I can able to view this. So at the bottom just I am creating none. So none is nothing but no operation needed. So I am changing this value to until next. So here you are getting unable to trim. Change trim type or data. So data means nothing but sketch need to change, because this profile wherever it is coming in that area it will take. What about these sides? How much distance it need to give? It is having not able to calculate. So this one also until selected, just I am putting this one also I am not able to give this profile. Until extended, I can able to give. Then through all we can't give. So if your profile is greater than this, you need to work accordingly. Which one I need to give? If my profile is smaller than this one, let me show what are the features possible. So my profile is smaller than the base profile. So I'm going to create. See, now this one until next by default it is became okay until selected, system selected this phase until extended. So I'm selecting this surface. So it is going through and through all same. So whenever you get error during this, so you need to consider your profile. So if your profile is more, you want to create more than this base surface, in that scenario you can go for the by value, just measure it and give the value. These are the methods available in Extrude. Inside this Extrude, the specific vector, nothing but your Extrude direction. So first one is infrared vector, so you need to give which one, x or y, your profile need to create. Then point, so you need to create 2 points for creating this one. Curve or axis system, I have axis system, so I can give this axis system. Next one is normal to the plane, what are the default plane. Next one is curve on vector. If I have curve, I need to select this curve for this vector. In this scenario, just I will select this curve for normal. So I will give normal to the curve. So I am getting this one axis curve on vector, and this is normal. This is y, c, x, y. So it is in minus, and this one is view direction. So according to our view, it will create. Thanks for watching this video. Next tool information we will see in upcoming videos.